By using this website here, you can make a lot of money online. You just have to watch this video through to the end, and you will then be able to start making money with this brand new strategy by repeating the same process again and again for an unlimited amount of times to earn as much money as you want. This is free worldwide, and it does not require you to have any equipment nor skills. Site in question that we will be using today in order to make a lot of money online is called Sprizzy.com. This is a site you might have heard about before, but if you haven't, you can see right here what it's for. Make your video go viral. Our platform is simple and easy to use. We put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. Get big results with even the smallest budget. So, as you've just heard, this in essence helps with your video popularity. So this tool is perfect for people who are struggling to get views on their videos and want more exposure. As simple as that. Now, something I really love about this tool, guys, are its reviews. As you can see, we have a 4.9-star rating here, with some giant companies being showcased, such as Google, Honda, and so on. And it's not just on their homepage that the reviews are amazing. If you come over to Trustpilot.com, you'll see that it has fantastic reviews on here as well, with 4.7 stars and over 300 reviews thus far. Just over 80% of people rated it as excellent, and only a total of 8% rated it as poor and bad. So it's a very legitimate platform, guys, and these reviews will be very important for us. But not because we will be using Sprizzy, so don't worry, you won't be like creating YouTube videos and then using Sprizzy to get views, nothing like that. Anyways, how Sprizzy exactly helps you get views on YouTube, you can see right here. You first off tell Sprizzy what kind of audience you want to target. This, of course, depends on the type of video you're creating, whether they're gaming videos, funny videos, or others. What happens from there is basically Sprizzy does all of the work. They will use YouTube ads, as you can see right here, to advertise and promote your videos to people who will actually want to view it. And of course, the end result of that is more views, subscribers, and engagement, as is said here. Further down, you will see who is working with Sprizzy at the moment, and just below that, you can see that in what niche the channel is doesn't matter whatsoever. In any case, since you now know how this tool works, which was important for me to explain and show you guys, I will skip going over all the other stuff showcased on their homepage, but of course, if you're interested, feel free to read it all. What you need to do on here is scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on Affiliate Program right over here. That will now take you straight over to this page, and yes, we will indeed be promoting Sprizzy as an affiliate, and the main reason is simply put that a lot of people need Sprizzy. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms, with nearly 40 million different YouTube channels out there. This is very important, guys, because this means that you have an endless pool of people who will need Sprizzy. In other words, you have an endless pool of potential customers. And this is very important with affiliate marketing, because if nobody wants to use the site you're promoting, then you can't make any money. As simple as that. Now, with that big upside, there is a bit of a downside to Sprizzy's affiliate program, which I have to mention. And that is the fact that it only offers 20% commissions, which isn't a lot. But I think that the sheer number of customers more than makes up for it. In any case, what you now need to do is simply sign up to their affiliate program by entering in your first and last names, email address, your password, click on I'm Not a Robot right here, tick this box, and finally, click on Sign Up Now to create your account. And once you do, you'll want to grab that affiliate link from there. Once you grab your affiliate link, it's now time for me to show you a place where you will get traffic. And believe it or not, guys, there is no better place for that than YouTube. It may sound a bit confusing and surprising at first, but think about it. Where's the best place to find people who will need help with their YouTube views? On YouTube, of course! Now I will show you how to get traffic through YouTube, but I will also show you another traffic source that you guys can check out that can actually get you even better results. Anyhow, what you will need to do on YouTube is search for something along the lines of how to get more views on YouTube. These kinds of videos are being uploaded quite often actually. Every few months a new one pops up. And what you'll now need to do is find some recent video that also has a decent number of views. The video doesn't have to be like 2 days old or whatever. As long as it isn't older than 3 or 4 months, you're good. Here's one I opened up as an example. It's called How to Get More Views on YouTube in 2021, and it has gotten nearly 150,000 views thus far, and it's been uploaded in February, so this video basically fits my criteria very, very well, and is the perfect example. What you will now want to do is scroll down to the comments section, and it's in the comments where you can literally find the perfect customers for Sprizzy. Because think about it, they are commenting on a video they have most likely watched about growing their YouTube channel and getting more views, and that means there's a high chance that they will be interested in Sprizzy. But what you want to do before you try and contact some of these people is click on Sort By and then select Newest first. You want to do this to avoid responding to old comments, since they most likely will not even see your reply, let alone click on your affiliate link. What you will basically do now is reply to all of these comments saying something like, "This tool here can help you grow on YouTube. This can help you get more views on YouTube," and so on, and then leave your affiliate link next to that. You will reply to as many of these comments as you can. And when you start running out of newer comments, you will simply switch videos and find another one. Open it up and do the same thing and basically rinse and repeat from there. And since there are new videos being uploaded about growing on YouTube all the time, and since there are new comments being left on those very videos all the time, you will never run out of customers. And in this way, as you may guess, you will be making a lot of money, but not in passive income. As effective as this is, you will have to constantly look out for customers that might want to use Sprizzy, so that is a bit of a flaw with this method. As such, you might want to try out this second traffic source I have for you, the link of which I left in the description box below if you want to give it a try. Although this is a paid software, I would highly recommend you guys check it out because, simply put, it's much easier to get traffic to your Sprizzy affiliate link with this software. As you can see, you just have to push one button to get traffic to any affiliate link in 23 seconds. And do keep in mind that this means you can make money with any website that you want to promote, no matter what niche it's in. You can promote Sprizzy, you can promote some digital product on Digistore24, some CPA or CPL offer on AV Plus and OfferVault, literally anything. This, in turn, means you can make a lot more money than if you were just promoting Sprizzy with the free strategy. You can see here that this is made for absolute beginners, so every single one of you watching this can get paid with this tool. And as if that wasn't enough, you can see that they offer a 365-day money-back guarantee, and that they will actually pay you $250 if this doesn't work out for you. So you aren't even risking your money with this software, which is why I would once again highly recommend you check it out at the very least by clicking on that very first link down in the description. In case you don't have any money or you just don't want to risk it, then feel free to promote Sprizzy through YouTube as I have shown you, because in that way you will still be able to make thousands of dollars nevertheless. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.